Hello everyone, welcome back to Cakelicious Sneha. Craving something that tastes just like the soft, buttery slices we grew up with? Wait till you see how easy it is to recreate that nostalgic flavor, that too without a single egg. Let's make a soft, light, and fluffy eggless tutti frutti cake, perfect for tea time or a festive treat. This eggless tutti frutti cake tastes just like the classic Britannia fruit cake. So let's start by mixing the tutti frutti with a little flour. This helps keep them from sinking while baking. Now in another bowl, whisk together all the dry ingredients. The cake base is smooth and subtle with a touch of custard powder for that rich bakery style flavor. The detailed recipe with the measurements of ingredients is mentioned in the description below. Don't forget to check it out there. Sift all the dry ingredients together and set it aside. Now, in a separate bowl, mix the wet ingredients, curd, butter, oil, and a splash of vanilla. It all comes together into a creamy, luscious blend. We don't need any egg here. The curd does all the magic here, keeping the cake moist and tender. Now, gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet. Avoid overmixing. We want a light and airy texture of the batter. Now, add in that flour coated tutti frutti and fold them gently in the batter like little gems hidden in the batter. Transfer the batter into a lined cake tin, smooth the top and give it a gentle tap to release any air bubble. Top it up with some tutti frutti. Bake it in a preheated oven until the top is golden and a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let it cool before slicing it up. Once cooled, slice it up with a sharp knife. Enjoy a soft, buttery cake bursting with sweetness in every bite. Enjoy it warm with a cup of chai or coffee, or wrap it up for lunch boxes. You can also share it as a sweet homemade treat. It's one of those cakes everyone reaches for. Check the description to find the step-by-step process of this cake. Hope you like this recipe. For more eggless cake recipes, baking tutorials and homemade sweets, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. Thanks for watching and happy baking!